My name is Teddy Mazonda. Yeah, I come from Maluka village. Yes, and my dish here is I've made Mubuyu mousse, which is the bubble fruit. Yeah, I came up with this idea because when I was a little boy, we used to go in the bush, collect the Mubuyu fruit. Then when after collecting them, we come back home, then we soak them in water. Sometimes we use the milk direct from the cow. Yeah, so we used to soak them in the milk also. So this one, I've done the same. I've used the milk. Yes, so I've soaked the Mubuyu over the night. Then from there I removed the seeds. Yes, so I've just remained with the pulp. Then I added in the whipped cream just to make it firm. I've never used the gelatin inside because some other mousse you should use some gelatin inside. But me, I've just used the whipped cream and the pulp from the Mubuyu. Yes, so that's the whole thing.